Serving soldiers and veterans alike gathered in the morning mist to remember the 130,000 Sikhs who fought in the First World War.
In this year of all years, the centenary year of World War I, it's right that we celebrate not just the sacrifice and service of those who served from the UK, but actually the enormous numbers of people who came from across the empire.
The memorial was sanctified with a traditional Sikh prayer and a minute's silence for all who fought for Great Britain. The statue was created after a fundraising campaign by the World War I Sikh Memorial Fund.
I'm quite proud as a British Sikh, as a third-generation British Sikh. I wanted something for the fourth and the fifth and the sixth generations to also come here to find out about the story of Sikh contribution and to be inspired themselves to want to undertake public service.
Among those who came to pay their respects, Colonel Singh Sethi, a third-generation army veteran.
Thousands of Sikhs served in World War I and II, and most of them didn't come back. And this is a great honour to the sacrifice the Sikh soldiers have made.
Despite the disproportionately large number of Sikhs who signed up to the British Indian Army, it's taken until now for a national memorial to be created in their honour. 150 people pledged more than £22,000 in total to pay for the statue as a permanent reminder of the sacrifice made by these men. Louisa Curry, BBC Midlands Today, Olrowas in Staffordshire.